Hello everyone, how's the day? The animal has arrived. Welcome to another video of Lego Craft. In this video, I've recently bought this bigger dinosaur, Lego Carnotaurus from the SY World Dinosaur, and it's gonna be an unboxing. So I hope that everyone will enjoy it. And so let me just show the back. In this, we can see that he can move his tail, has a flimsy two-clawed hands, and a big head. The iconic thing about this one is the horns. When you see a horn, then it's a Carnotaurus. And let's do an unboxing on this one. Okay, let's start the unboxing, and we're going to start from here. Let's see if we can find the tape. Oh, there's a tape over here. So we're going to say use safety scissors. It's called safety scissors, but there's nothing safety about it anyway, because it's sharp. How can a sharp object become safe? So let's just do it like this. After several minutes later, I was able to do this. Oh, there's a hole where you can put the finger in and pull it. Come on. Right to the side. Oh, there's a lot of the bags. At first, we have this over here and this. Oh, a lot of them. 589 pieces, I guess. And that's gonna put it over here. I'm quite surprised that it didn't fall on the camera. And well, what should we begin with? Let's begin with this, because it has some interesting parts. Oh, it's a rabbit over here. It's a little bunny rabbit. Whoa. Is there a Dino baby? We saw Carnotaurus baby. Oh, there it is. Basically looks like the same. I don't know. Let's cut it open. And now we can find many interesting pieces like a claw, this part, and some leaves. Leafy. And oh, the signboard that says caution sign on it. And oh, there it is, the rabbit. What's it doing on a leaf anyway? And a baby dinosaur. Alright, on to the next fact. And now we're going to open this one because this has leaves, bigger leaves, and by motorcycle parts. And now we're going to, I guess we have to cut a bigger hole on it. Oh. Wow, this isn't much sharp. How much do they progress? Not much. Let's go for the other side. Oh, now we have even more interesting parts, like this. We can make a Dinosaur out of this, but I'll keep that in mind. And more motorcycle parts. Motorcycles. Now I have 5 motorcycles, I guess. Oh, we got wheels. And they put this in this. Look, interesting. So we have the we have the tire, but where are the wheels? Where are the wheels? I will guess we find another packet. On to the next one. Now the next thing I'm going to do is open this one, but we're going to open it with this blade. Not like that. Oh, I hope I don't cut my finger on this. Wow, I can't even use this properly. Always close it. Otherwise, someone might get hurt. That could be you. I'll put it this way. Okay. Let's see what interesting parts we get from this one. Wait, where did I even go? I gotta make two holes. So. Like this. I get it. Oh, now we have this foot thing. Foot part. We are getting a lot of interesting parts on this one. Maybe we should get actual dinosaurs rather than cyborg dinosaurs, but I'll make a series out of it. Getting all the SR dinosaurs. I got all of the SR wall dinosaur ones of the medium packs. All I have to do is get the big packs. I'm not interested in the small packs because they're not interesting. They're small. Oh, there are the wheels. And then we get this part. And many more parts. Okay, actually the teeth. The teeth. We'll actually make all of this later. Because I'm too tired. And I got homework studies and many other things. Next pack. And let's see, where should we get the minifigure ones? Oh wait. The minifigure ones. Oh, this shirt looks like serious stuff. And backpacks, laser guns, and actually I don't know if anyone can see this, but it's very shiny, but I can see it properly either. Let's cut it. This again. Oh, don't cut my fingers. I gotta go do this. Let's cut it. I'm very bad at cutting. But let's and let's put it over here like this. Even though it's all small parts, but even get mixed in this, but I can cut it. I have no problem with it. And I can get this one out. Oh, there we go. Sorry. And we should get the big one now. Wait, oh, there. How many packs are there? 4. If this is not bigger, then I'll actually have to do it by part. Okay. Knife time! Yay! Okay. Yay! Knife time. Oh, now we actually, that's the tail parts over here. Lots of tail parts. And I think this is the neck part. Wait, sorry, this is the neck part. I don't know what this is. So many parts that are stacking up. Okay, that's one of it, so I'm just gonna spread it. Of course, it doesn't much matter. I'm going to do a full build on this one. This is going to be a separate video, specially edited. Maybe not. We will put some non-copyright songs over here. Maybe not. Depends on how much time I have. Back them again. I think this is the mouth part. It has the tongue on it. The tongue is here. And some of them get out. That's enough for this. And only thing more to go. And I'm going to cut the video. I'm just going to do it all the way. Knife time. Oh, I think it's good enough. Oh, forget it. It's a lot bigger than I actually needed. Oh, actually, that blade was actually my little sister's. So if anyone is wondering why there's some things over here like are pink, that belong to my sister. Alright. I can get these parts as well. After a lifetime later, I actually did it. Alright, 2 more to go. 2 more packs. Oh, and remember, it's not safe to use what I've used. Blade. I always use safety scissors. Oh, actually, I'll get this one. I just love the clanking sound of Legos. It makes me calm. Just back. And go. I think it has the next part over here. Yeah, that's all of it. And we're gonna do a full build up on this. And there's the instructions, meaning a book where it tells you what to do, how to do. This is the secret to all Lego building. If we have this book, then we don't need anything else. Well, I'll actually do a custom build on all the dinosaurs. I like custom build. But anyway, that's it for today. Please subscribe to my channel if you want to see the part where I make this all this Lego. And be sure to hit a like if you like this and leave a comment. And next time when we make a video, I hope I will see you onto the part where I make the Lego. Admiraladit signing out.